At the middle of the funnel, typically the campaigns that you want to create here are sending traffic to your website, or a lead generation campaign, which is where you're trying to get their contact details in exchange for something of perceived high value, a report, a checklist, a guide, something like that. The audience types that you can create here are also mainly through Facebook or Instagram itself, so you can create an audience of people you know who have already watched your videos, or who have engaged with your page, or who have engaged with your Instagram account. So you can see how that becomes a bit of a process starting here. So, you know, you're reaching people for the first time, you're adding value, you're putting educational content in there, so it's going to be cheaper to reach people because Facebook knows that you're adding value to people and you're getting a high engagement rate, therefore it's cheaper to reach them. Once they have been exposed to your content and they do engage, then you can actually start to reach them with campaigns like traffic campaigns, as I mentioned, and send them from just viewing your content through to your website. And then this takes us into the bottom of the funnel, which is where you've got your hot audience.